If your Samsung laser printer has a toner problem, it is possible that a software update is preventing the use of non-genuine toner. Don't worry, because there is a solution to this problem. You don't need to buy expensive genuine Samsung toners. First, look for a toner chip supplier in your local market. Buy a chip with a new firmware version. It is important that the software has a DAT-E after October 2020. Remove the toner from the printer and replace the chips on the toner housing. Chips can be located in different places depending on the printer model, but the procedure of replacement is generally similar.